Good day, everybody. So I have built the integration solution. Let us quickly check how it works. This is computer manufacturer's warehouse management system. Here the sales order count is 467. The delivery order count is 471. In the inventory stock data for Dell laptops, the Switzerland warehouse have 5 units in stock. This is the inventory transaction table. Here, the last transaction, inventory transaction details are. So I'm in the computer's doctor's purchase order management system. Here I would be creating a purchase order. So I am creating a purchase order for Dell laptops. Quantity is 1 and delivery location is Switzerland. So, so the sales order has been created. Here, if you see, the product name is Dell Laptops, price is 3000, quantity is 1, order ID in the order, local order ID is this one, and in the computer doctors, in the computer manufacturer's warehouse management system, the sales order ID is this, or delivery order ID is this, and inventory transaction is this. So let us just quickly review the status in all the involved applications. So in the warehouse management system of computer doctor, the sales order count has increased by 1. The delivery order count has increased by 1. And if I go to the inventory, in inventory for Dell laptops in Switzerland warehouse, inventory has reduced by 1. In, in the so here in the latest sales order, you can see the sales order detail as this one. For Dell laptop, a new sales order has been created. Let me navigate to the ERP application. In the ERP application, if you see there is a receipt voucher created for the sales order. Let me navigate to the bank application. So this is computer manufacturer's bank account, and if you see there is a credit of 3,300 in his account in the computer manufacturer's bank account. This is the customer, that is computer doctor's bank account, and if you see there is a transfer of 3,300 to computer manufacturer's account. Let us quickly check the next API, that is sales return order. So here the sales return order count is 109. Let me quickly navigate to the computer doctor purchase order system. So let me quickly create a purchase return order. I'm keying in the delivery order number. So I have keyed in the delivery order number and delivery location. Let me create a purchase order, purchase return order. So these are the information which is provided. The inventory transaction is this one, delivery order number is this one, and the sales order ID is this one. Let us quickly check in all involved application. So in the warehouse management system of computer doctor, the sales return has increased by 1. And in Switzerland, if you see, there is an increase in count, that is 5. Let me also navigate to the ERP application. In the ERP application, the receipt would be reversed. The receipt is reversed and payment would be created. And the payment is created. So this is computer manufacturer's bank account. In the computer manufacturer's bank account, if we can see that there is a fund transfer from computer manufacturer to computer doctor, that is customer. This is the customer, that is computer doctor's bank account. If you see, there is a credit for the ordered amount. So the next scenario is purchase order creation. So I have keyed in the details for the purchase order. Purchase order. Let us create a purchase order. So if you notice that purchase order is created, and this is the goods received order number. This is the receipt number, and all the details are there. Let us quickly check in all involved application. If you see, under purchase order count has been increased. And navigating to the ERP application. In the ERP application, if you see, the purchase order transaction has been registered. This is computer manufacturer's bank account, and if you see there is a fund transfer from computer manufacturer to chip manufacturer's account. This is the this is the chip manufacturer's account bank account, and if you see there is a amount credited for the ordered amount, and it is reflecting in the chip manufacturer's bank account. So this is the chip manufacturer sales order management system. Under the completed sales order, if you see the purchase order is reflect. So the fourth scenario is purchase return order creation. Let me create a purchase return order. So this is the purchase return order has been created, and the purchase return has been created for this purchase order number. So if you see in the dashboard, the purchase return order count has been increased. So I'm navigating to the ERP application. If you see this amount for the purchase order would be reversed. This is reversed here, and a receipt transaction has been created. So I am in the computer manufacturer's bank account, and if I refresh the screen, you can see that an amount has been credited from the chip manufacturer's bank account. So in the chip manufacturer's bank account, if you see there will be a transfer. There is a transfer of 500 to computer manufacturer's bank account. This is the chip manufacturer's sales order system, and if I navigate to the completed return orders, you can see that there is the purchase order is registered. So we have seen four scenarios, that is sales order creation, sales return order creation, purchase order creation, and purchase return order creation. So we have built the application, we have done the unit test. Next phase is testing phase. We will move to the testing phase. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.